Gates open, that up and racing. Dugus to King draws for your lead. Moving up to take second is Tricky Charlie's. Then running by the rail, Walk the Talk Isco. Moving up in between runners, now grabbing the lead. Seal My Lips comes next, running by the rail, Dugus Charm. Then comes China's Golden Dottie outside. Is Natu Princess about to pass the last 800. The order, Walk the Talk by 3/4 of a length lead. Isco is in second, racing in third at this moment. Is entry number 7, Tricky Charlie's, followed by 3A, Dugus to King, Natu Princess. Moving up to take fifth, Seal My Lips, China's Gold, and trailing the group is Dugus Charm as they turn to the final 450. Walk the Talk by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside, Isco. Natu Princess moving up to take second by the rail. With the last 200 meters more to run, Walk the Talk, the order leading the field by about 2 lengths. With the last 100 meters more to run, the Icebreaker, entry number 1, Walk the Talk. Second, Isco. Natu Princess, Dugus to King, Dugus Charm, Seal My Lips, China's Gold, and Tricky Charlie's.